Ang English lesson na to ay tungkol sa verb phrase na could have na ginagamit para sabihin ang mga posibleng pangyayari o sitwasyon sa nakaraan pero hindi naman sigurado kung totoo ngang nangyari. Kaya ang could have sa Tagalog ay itatranslate natin sa baka. Baka. Could have. Tandaan natin na ang could have ay palaging sinusundan ng verb na nasa past participle. I could have caught a cold from being outside in the rain. I could have caught a cold from being outside in the rain. Baka sinipon ako dahil naulanan ako sa labas. I could have mistaken her for somebody else. I could have mistaken her for somebody else. Baka napagkamalan ko lang siya. I could have left my phone in the car. I could have left my phone in the car. Baka naiwan ko sa kotse ang telepono ko. He could have locked himself in the bathroom. He could have locked himself in the bathroom. Baka nakulong siya sa banyo. He could have misunderstood your boss's instruction. He could have misunderstood your boss's instruction. Baka hindi mo naintindihan ang utos ng amo mo. He could have dialed the wrong number. You could have dialed the wrong number. Baka maling numero ang naidial mo. She could have put salt in your coffee instead of sugar. She could have put salt in your coffee instead of sugar. Baka asin ang nailagay niya sa kape mo sa halip na asukal. He could have been stuck in traffic. He could have been stuck in traffic. Baka naipit siya sa traffic. She could have lost track of time. She could have lost track of time. Baka hindi niya namalayan ng oras. I could have accidentally deleted that file. I could have accidentally deleted that file. Baka hindi sinasadyang na-delete ko yung file na yon. I could have dropped my wallet without realizing it. I could have dropped my wallet without realizing it. Baka nalaglag yung wallet ko nang hindi ko namamalayan. I could have misplaced my keys. I could have misplaced my keys. Baka kung saan ko nailagay ang susi ko. You could have written the wrong address on the package. You could have written the wrong address on the package. Baka maling address ang naisulat mo sa package. The book could have been borrowed by someone else. The book could have been borrowed by someone else. Baka nahiram na ng iba yung libro. She could have lost her passport. She could have lost her passport. Baka nawala niya ang passport niya. I could have left my earphones on the bus. I could have left my earphones on the bus. Baka naiwan ko sa bus ang earphones ko. You could have eaten too much earlier. You could have eaten too much earlier. Baka marami ka masyadong nakain kanina. They could have missed their flight due to long security lines. They could have missed their flight due to long security lines. Baka naiwan sila ng eroplano dahil sa haba ng pila. It could have snowed last night. It could have snowed last night. Baka nag-snow kagabi. I could have forgotten to lock the front door. I could have forgotten to lock the front door. Baka nakalimutan kong isara yung pinto sa harap. She could have been the one who called you. She could have been the one who called you. Baka siyang tumawag sa'yo. I could have made a wrong turn while driving. I could have made a wrong turn while driving. Baka nagkamali ako ng liko habang nagmamaneho. He could have forgotten to set the alarm clock. He could have forgotten to set the alarm clock. Baka nakalimutan niyang iset ang alarm clock. We could have been at the wrong restaurant. We could have been at the wrong restaurant. Baka nasa maling restaurant tayo. She could have broken the saucer while doing the dishes. She could have broken the saucer while doing the dishes. Baka nabasag niya yung platito habang naghuhugas ng plato. The cat could have knocked over the glass. The cat could have knocked over the glass. Baka natabig ng pusa ang baso. He could have tripped and fallen on the stairs. He could have tripped and fallen on the stairs. Baka natalisod at nahulog siya sa hagdan. They could have left the lights on all night. They could have left the lights on all night. Baka naiwan nilang bukas sa mga ilaw magdamag. They could have already arrived at the party. They could have already arrived at the party. Baka nandoon na sila sa party. He could have forgotten to water the plants. He could have forgotten to water the plants. Baka nakalimutan niyang diligan ng mga halaman. She could have borrowed that dress from her friend. She could have borrowed that dress from her friend. Baka hiniram niya yung damit sa kaibigan niya.